Principles of the Constitution and Bill of Rights by Emily, Andrew, and Isabel. The Constitutional Convention. What is a Constitutional Convention? The Constitutional Convention was a new plan of government since the Articles of Confederation did not work out. When was the Constitutional Convention? Before the beginning of the Constitutional Convention, delegates from 12 states on May of 1787 arrived in Philadelphia. On May 25th, George Washington was elected president of the convention. Why did they create the Constitutional Convention? After Shays' Rebellion, the incidents and the damage done proved that the Articles of Confederation was a failure. How did the Constitutional Convention begin? Congress called a convention of delegates from different states, thought of a new plan, the Constitutional Convention, in 1787. Debate over ratification. A group of men, Alexander Hamilton, James Madison, and John Jay, led the group of people who wanted to ratify the Constitution. The men argued that a stronger central government to protect the nation. They felt the Bill of Rights wasn't necessary. Anti-Federalists. They found many problems in the Constitution. The Anti-Federalists was led by George Mason and Patrick Henry. They argued it would create a central government that would be too strong. 7 Principles of the Government. Popular sovereignty. Ultimate power and final authority rest in the people. Limited government. The government does not have total or unlimited power. The government's power is limited to the laws created by the Constitution. Republicanism. The people represent themselves by voting for representatives with similar or the same ideals. Separation of powers. Division of powers into 3 branches. Checks and balances. A system of checks and balances making sure no branch becomes too powerful. Federalism. Separating power between the state and federal governments. Individual rights. Personal freedoms, protection, equality guaranteed under Bill of Rights under law. Anatomy of the Constitution. Preamble. The first paragraph of the Constitution that introduces what the Constitution's purpose is. It shows what the new government is going to do. Article 1. Legislative branch. This includes the House of Representatives, Senate. This branch creates the laws. It's the law-making body. Article 2. Executive branch. This includes the President, Vice President, and Cabinet. This branch carries out the laws, executes. Article 3. Judicial branch. This includes the trial courts, federal courts, U.S. Supreme Court, appellate. This branch interprets the laws. Article 4. State interaction. Article 5. How the Constitution can be changed, amended. Article 6. Supreme law of the land. Laws and treaties of the U.S. Article 7. Constitution's ratification. Bill of Rights. 10 amendments which guarantee rights to Americans. Citations, sources. Section 1 and 2, Articles. Constitutional Convention and the Federalists and Anti-Federalists by Isabel F. Section 3, Articles, Principles of Government by Andrew R. Section 4, Articles. Anatomy of the Constitution and the Bill of Rights by Emily F.